I'm going to show you an infinite money glitch on Schedule 1. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So basically we will be using a glitch in the casino that will let us have infinite money on Schedule 1. This is very easy. All you need to do is go to the casino firstly. If you don't know where it is, just open the map. As you can see, I'm right here at the bungalow and the casino is right here. So some people don't know about this, but you can zoom in with your mouse wheel, and this way you can see the names of the business. So here you can see the casino. So let's go right there. Okay, so I'm here at the casino. As you can see in the map, it's right here. But you need to make sure you are on the opening hours. So if you go to your phone, you can see the hour right here at the top left is 3 p.m. and the casino will open at 4 p.m. So let's wait for a few seconds and I'll be back. Okay, so now it's 4 p.m. The casino has just opened, so we can open the door and go gamble some money. As you can see, I have 10,000. You need to have some cash. I think you need at least, I would recommend to have at least 500 or something like that. And all you need to do is go to the slot machines and set an amount depending on how much money you have. If you have only 500 or less, you can do it with 10. And all you need to do is start betting like this. In my case, I will set $100 bet and start gambling like this. So eventually you will lose some money and you will gain as well. So the trick right here is that you will save the game once you have a big win. So you can do this with a lot of different slot machines, just like this, and it's very easy. It's important that you save the game before you go to the casino, because this way, if you lose your money, all you need to do is load the other save and you will be fine. Okay, so after some time gambling, I just made around 4,000. It only took me like 2 minutes. As you can see, I got another 1,000 right there. And after you have got some money, all you need to do is go back to your property. As you can see, I'm $4,000 in profit. You need to go back to your property, or you can also open the console to save. You just need to type save, and this will automatically save your game. But if you don't want to enable the console or you just don't want to do it this way, all you need to do is go to your property, and I'm going to show you how you can save that way. So in every property you will have a button next to the door. So if you go to the door of your property, you will see this button right here to save the game. In my case, I can't do it right now because I just saved it with the console. But that's basically the process you need to follow. You just need to save the game once you win money. And now I just saved the game with $4,000 in profit. So that way, there is no way I can lose more money. Now I just need to go to the casino again and start gambling again. And if I lose it, I just don't need to save the game file. And this way I can reload the previous file where I still have the money, and this way you will have a lot of money. This scales pretty quickly because you can once you start winning, you just need to increase the bet amount, and this way you can get a lot of money. So basically, in conclusion, all you need to do is start gambling and only save the game once you win. If you lose, just leave the previous saving and save the previous game load. So I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.